Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm so happy you're here today. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any fun yoga adventures with your favorite characters. Now, find a comfy spot, grab your mat, and get ready. This is your special time to move, stretch, and have fun. Remember, there's no need to rush. Just listen to your body, breathe slowly, and enjoy each movement. You're doing amazing just by being here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Are you ready? Let's begin our yoga adventure. Now let's get started. Sit quietly and imagine your suit softly humming with peaceful and steady energy. Think about the new adventure waiting ahead of you. Your breath is your power source, helping you stay calm, focused, and ready for anything. Imagine your energy glowing brighter and stronger with every breath you take. Stretch gently and feel your body becoming more flexible and relaxed. Stay focused and calm as you move through each pose. You are becoming stronger and more confident every day. Move slowly and carefully, paying attention to how your body feels. Feel your body working together like a strong and powerful suit. Breathe deeply and let your mind stay calm and clear. You are doing a great job staying focused. Pretend your body is a powerful suit filled with glowing and steady energy. Move slowly and carefully, noticing how strong and balanced you feel. Breathe deeply and let your mind stay calm and focused. You are doing a fantastic job staying strong and steady. Visualize you're powering up like Iron Man, feeling warm energy slowly waking up in every part of your body. As you stretch your arms, pretend they are strong flying boosters, helping you rise smoothly into the sky. Picture your power growing stronger and brighter inside you. Stretch gently and feel your body becoming more flexible and relaxed. Stay focused and calm as you hold your pose. You are strong, steady, and doing wonderfully. Amazing! Now let's do the same on the other side. Your body is glowing with energy that makes you feel powerful and calm. Notice how flexible and comfortable your body feels. Breathe in and out slowly. You are doing an excellent job. Stand tall like a superhero, preparing for an important mission, ready for anything. As you breathe in, imagine your suit charging up. You are building strength and confidence, just like a hero getting ready to save the day. Stand tall and confident like Iron Man, ready for a new adventure. Feel your balance, keeping you steady and strong. Breathe calmly and let your body relax into the pose. You are strong and capable. Pretend you are flying smoothly through the sky with grace and control. Feel your strength supporting you in every movement you make. Breathe deeply and let your body stay calm and relaxed. You are powerful, focused, and doing great. Reach your arms wide like you are flying across the sky on an exciting mission. Feel your body supporting you in every pose you try. Your breath helps guide you, keeping you steady and calm like a hero in control. Stretch like a superhero reaching out to help others with strength and kindness. Feel your energy growing stronger with every movement you make. Stay focused as you breathe slowly and deeply. You are amazing and full of potential. Stand steady as if you are landing perfectly on the ground. Feel the strength in your legs helping you stay balanced and secure. Allow your body to relax into the pose. You are strong, calm, and in control. Reach like you are flying above the clouds. Take a deep breath and let your body relax while staying strong. You are amazing and capable of wonderful things. Imagine your arc reactor glowing brighter each time you take a deep and steady breath. As you stretch, feel your muscles becoming bigger and more flexible at the same time. You are powerful, peaceful, and in control of your body and your breath. Stand tall, ready to help and protect others. Feel your body steady and powerful as you hold your pose. Take a deep breath and let your mind become calm and peaceful. You are doing something truly amazing for your body and mind. Pretend your arms are powerful jets that help you glide smoothly and gracefully through the air. As you balance, imagine your suit making tiny adjustments to keep you perfectly steady. Take a deep breath and feel your inner power growing stronger and brighter. Amazing! Now let's do the same on the other side. Balance carefully like Iron Man hovering with smooth and perfect control. Feel your whole body working together like a high-tech suit, designed for strength and stability. Let your energy flow smoothly through you. Stretch like you are reaching the clouds on this exciting adventure. Your body is glowing with energy that makes you feel strong and brave. Take a slow breath and feel calmness spreading through your mind and body. Pretend you are flying smoothly through the sky with grace and control, your strength supporting you in every movement. Breathe deeply, stay calm and relaxed. You are powerful and focused. As you stretch, imagine your suit becoming more flexible and comfortable with every motion. Breathe slowly. Your mind is becoming calm, clear, and focused. You are learning how to use your strength in a peaceful and powerful way. As you reach your arms up high, imagine yourself blasting off gently into the sky. Feel your feet grounded like strong landing gear keeping you steady. Breathe deeply and picture your inner energy glowing brighter and brighter. Pretend you are preparing for takeoff, kneeling still and steady as you get ready to fly. Your body is strong and grounded. Breathe in deeply and imagine your energy rising gently through your body. You are brave, strong, and capable of doing amazing things. Imagine you are safely powering down your Iron Man suit for a moment, allowing every part of your body to recharge with calm energy. Feel your breath moving slowly, reminding you that even the strongest heroes need quiet time to regain their inner strength. Let your body relax deeply on the ground, as if your armor is becoming light and peaceful. Like Iron Man, you are learning that taking calm moments helps you grow braver, steadier, and more powerful inside. Great job today! You are amazing! Take a deep breath, feel proud of yourself, and carry this calm and happy feeling with you for the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing with me. I can't wait to see you again soon. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for new characters and yoga adventures. See you next time.